Today, I'm going to create an ice cream truck sound effect generating circuit, a fun and musical project that anyone can make at home. Stay tuned till the end because I'll show you each step clearly and explain how this small circuit produces that nostalgic ice cream melody. First, this is a buzzer, a small but powerful sound-producing component. I'll start by applying a small amount of solder to both of its pins to ensure a strong and stable connection. Then I'll solder two short copper wires to the positive and negative pins of the buzzer. These wires will make it easier to connect the other components later. Next, I'll take a red LED and solder its negative pin to the copper wire that's connected to the buzzer's negative pin. This LED will light up whenever the circuit is active, indicating that the melody is playing. Now I'll solder a 100 ohm resistor between the LED's positive pin and the copper wire connected to the buzzer's positive pin. The resistor limits the current flowing through the LED, preventing it from burning out. After trimming the extra pins neatly, our base connection is ready. Now let's add the heart of our project, the UM66 IC, which is a melody-generating chip. This IC is responsible for producing the ice cream truck sound. I'll solder the output pin of the UM66 IC to the positive copper wire from the buzzer, and the ground pin, GND, to the negative copper wire. Then I'll attach a mini electric switch to the VCC line of the IC. This switch will let us turn the sound on and off easily. Next, I'll connect the 3.7-volt battery as the power source. The negative wire of the battery goes to the copper wire connected to the buzzer's negative pin, and the positive wire goes to the remaining side of the switch. This completes our power circuit. Now our ice cream truck music circuit is fully ready. When I turn on the switch, the UM66 IC activates and sends a musical signal to the buzzer, producing that classic ice cream truck tune. The LED lights up, indicating that the circuit is live and working perfectly. The UM66 IC generates a pre-programmed melody signal when powered. This signal drives the buzzer, converting electrical signals into musical sound waves. The LED and resistor help monitor the circuit visually while protecting the components. This simple and creative project can be used in toy vehicles, doorbells, mini alarms, or even in DIY musical gifts. It's a perfect beginner-friendly electronics project to learn about ICs, sound generation, and basic soldering skills. So if you enjoy making small electronics that come to life with sound and light, make sure to try this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share because more amazing projects are on the way.